Okay, let us test all the content to see if it's working or not. Let's go to this one. Test, test, test. This one. That's working. In what about this one? Come on, Twitch. In what about this? Okay, nice, nice, nice. All right. I can't believe how long it took me to start streaming today. I just was so lazy. I didn't want to do anything, but let's get into it. I've started now, so I can't just go lay down and just not. So that's a good thing about streaming. It locks you into actually doing what you're doing. So what am I actually doing today? I need to do what? I think I need to give viini expressions, right? So we're going to try giving viini expressions, and because right now she's sort of just the same sort of deadpan face all the time, which isn't ideal. I'm not a big fan of that. So we're going to try and make her a little more expressive. So to do this, we need to go to the settings in Warudo and we need to start generating some expressions using the expressions profile. So let's add an expression. And what are we going to call it? Let's think. What do we need for an expression? We need like a happy expression, right? I mean, she already is by default happy, right? Maybe like a happy happy. Okay. Happy. Disable no, no. Let's add the head. We want the blend shape to be what? Oh my god, there's so many blend shapes. Uh, this might be. Hmm. This is going to take a while, isn't it? Holy shit, this is going to take so long. Trying to put this in manually is going to be hell. It's going to be so hell. Okay, we need to think of a better way because trying to use this freaking GUI to put in like the head mesh and then a blend shape and then to like go and do that all over again. Yeah, that's going to take really, really long. So what we'll do instead is actually what we'll do is that we'll add an element. We'll make it target skin, we'll go head. We'll make the blend shape, I don't know, blink, doesn't matter which one we use right now. We just need something, jaw open, whatever. And then we also can't actually see it in the viewport, can we? That's going to make it hard. Okay. How can I see this better? What's the plan? What's the plan, me? Let's save this expression. Save expressions profile, and we will call it test. Okay. So now we've saved that, and I need to go into my files and find that. So to do that, we're going to go to the Warudo and we're going to open up data folder. And I'm hoping that there's going to be a folder there that is some kind of, what is it called? Expression profiles. Oh, I just realized I didn't link into YouTube. Has anyone talked? Oh, people have talked. Shit. I didn't I didn't realize. Fuck. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry, sorry. Um um okay, I'm connected. I'm connected now. Let me see. Who spoke again? Yo, what's up, Fumi? Sorry for ignoring you there. And what's up, T? Lobotomized. Chain. Yeah, yeah. Okay, cool. Sorry about that. I got my thing up and running again. At least I hope. Wait, let me test it. I'm gonna type 1 in chat and see if it works.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Hey, there we go, there we go, there we go. Okay. So the problem right now is the expression profile. We need to grab the actual JSON or whatever it is, because trying to edit it with the GUI is going to take a million years, and I'm not going to do that. Fuck that noise. So let's try find the so what is it called? Expressions profile. So where is that? Oh, here it is, character expression profile. We have a JSON. We'll open that up into VC face, and yeah, that works. Cool, 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 cool. That works pretty fucking well. It's really long though. Holy shit, it's long. Oh my god, why is it so long? Viini isn't on right now because I was trying to adjust her. But now that I think about it, I'm probably gonna have to go into Blender, figure out all the blend shapes I want to use, save the profile using the JSON format, and then I'll go back to Warudo. So what I think I need to do now is, so I think I can activate it now because I don't think, I think I need to go to Blender. I don't think I can do this in Warudo. So I'm gonna activate her. Do not save. Let us find it though. So we want to run main, and then we want to run record audio. Now, I'm not sure why, but viini wasn't really working last stream. Hopefully it works now, but when, like, she was working with me with talking, but she wasn't working with commands. So I'm gonna quickly test it. We'll go Twitch, viini. Hello.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Okay.
Amused. Look who it is. Confident. I was wondering when you'd show up. Close.
Oh, it's working. Okay. What about YouTube? Let's try YouTube now. viini test. viini test? viini, no! Come on. God damn it. Okay. So it seems like YouTube is broken, but Twitch is working. So let me look at StreamerBot and see why only one is working but the other isn't. Let's look at the actions. So what do we have for Twitch? We have execute code, get global viini message, and then send it to Twitch. What about YouTube? Activate code, get global viini message. Oh, maybe I need to use it. Maybe I didn't update the code. Okay. We'll copy sub action here. Oh wait, I can't copy the sub action, right? Because it requires a different thing. Wait. No, it should be the same. User, raw input. User, raw input. Send JSON message to localhost, and then take the reply and set it as the viini. Okay, I'm just gonna copy the sub action, paste it into YouTube one, just disable the other one. Paste sub action, put it to the top. All right, let's try it again. viini test.
Look at the chat, you blind
Whoops,
bastard.
I did it twice. Okay, let's look at the queues. Is there 2 in queue right now? No, there's only 1 in queue. Damn it, the YouTube one still isn't working. Why?
Amused. Testing me? Close? Panicked. Oh dear, I wasn't told there would be a quiz. Confident. It doesn't matter, I'll get a perfect score anyway.
Alright, we're just going to have to accept the fact that the YouTube one's broken for now, because I can't be fucked fixing that. Oh, I see what's happening. I don't have the command in it. Oh my god, I'm a fucking idiot. Oh my god. Okay, I don't have the trigger. I don't have the trigger. Okay, let's try it again. Viini test. Oh wait, I need to change the thing to YouTube and then go okay. Okay, 100 times the charm. Viini test. Yeah, I've been completely redoing a whole bunch of stuff because the previous way I had it working wasn't.
Impatient. Is this some kind of echo? Worried. Oh no, is the system breaking down already? Amused. Or perhaps you're just that impressed with my previous response. Close.
Okay. So if you probably noticing right now, it says like impatient, worried, amused, and that's because I put into the prompt to basically put expression, or I mean not an expression, and an emotion before every single thing, and I'm going to use that to try to drive emotion for Viini for her face. But it's sort of a bit scuffed still, so we just need to get the actual animation working.
Amused. That's a rather forward question. T1543. Concern. It sounds incredibly messy. Confident. My brain is a priceless asset. You couldn't possibly afford the procedure.
Damn, 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 damn. All right, let's go to Blender now. Transition. Blender. Actually, I'm gonna sit down. I don't want to fucking stand up, dude. I know it's probably bad for my back to sit down so much, but I just can't be fucked. I feel like I have no energy. I need to just sit down. I'll stand up later when we go back to Warudo. Viini doesn't seem too concerned about getting lobotomized, but we'll see. We'll see. So we'll bring the monitor back down, and we will reset the VC face. So what do we need to do? I need to grab my tablet now, because I don't like using Blender without a tablet. Grab that. Okay. So we need to find the file, right? The file with the head, and we need to start mapping out some expressions. And then after we have the expressions, we'll need to generate a script that will basically convert the expressions we create and make them into the JSON format. So first things first, let's find that head file for Viini. So I'm pretty sure it's in test cell 4. Blender. Wait, is it in Blender or is it in Unity? Or in Warudo? Open? Don't save? That ain't it. That ain't it at all. What the fuck is this shit? Okay, I guess it is blender file, and then we go into head, and then we take 10, I guess. Cool. Now we'll come back into here, and we need to start setting some expressions. So let's say for frame 1, we'll do happy. So we'll click on her head, go into the shape keys, and we'll look for happy. Okay, there isn't a happy expression, so what am I talking about? We need to just find something that makes it look happy. Maybe mouth open? No. No. That was not open, that was closed. Bro, there are way too many blend shapes. What is happening here? Jaw open? Maybe? I'm going to go to go to the face paint because I don't like this well, that's not going to help now, is it? Okay, I'm just going to go into texture paint and quickly remove this because it's sort of distracting me. Oops. Okay, there we go.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Yo, what's up? Snowy face viini. Yeah. Just says you're supposed to see it, you know? How do I make her look happy, though? What is a happy look? Okay, let's think about the brows right now. We'll go brow, and we'll go brow. What does this do? Not what I want. That looks terrible, doesn't it? Is that it? Is that all I can do? I don't know, dude. I don't know. Like, fuck it. We'll just keyframe it. We're going to ignore the eyes widen and pull back. We won't keyframe that one. Let's just grab the jaw open as well. Whatever, we'll make that happy. Except we need to move these keyframes back to 1. Why the fuck is it on 17? Actually, screw it. I'm just gonna move this back to 17. Just make it start at 17 instead. I can't be bothered moving them. Let's go to the new one. What's another expression that we want? We'll do sad. Actually, no. We'll do surprised or shock. So we'll get rid of this one. Oh, maybe not. Maybe. Let's turn the jaw open off. Let's look for funnel. No. Pucker? Yeah. And then we'll draw open. That's a bit much, isn't it? That doesn't really work. Let's not make it open then. Mouth. Dimple. Stretch. Right. Left. I'm not gonna lie, it is actually quite difficult to get this shit to work. Trying to create the expressions using these shape keys is a bit of a fucking pain. Okay, I think the mouth open definitely needs
Look
to
at
happen.
the chat, you blind bastard.
Yeah, I'm just. What can I say, man? This is a bit of a pain. Like, it's cursing is my way to relieve stress, you know. Where is open? Mouth. Open. Is this a dumb way of doing it? Is this actually a really dumb way of doing it? Maybe I shouldn't rely on these blend shapes. Maybe I should just manually create my own. Just go in and just create new expressions, not based off the existing shape keys, but based off other shape keys. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, though. No, it's going to be easier doing that way. Worst case scenario, we can always convert them over later. But I think just getting the expressions first. Oh, actually, no, because if I go through that effort, hmm, because the problem, right, is if I do that and then I have the other blend shapes that go on top, is it not just going to create an issue where the blend shapes just add up and then create issues? Most likely. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. I think I'm gonna test it. I'm thinking I'm gonna test it, but not Vini's character, with the other Vini character. With Mini Vini. I'm gonna see how Mini Vini reacts. I'm gonna give her like an expression on its own shape key, and then I'm going to see what happens where if I put the blend shapes on top of it, the other expressions on top of it. So we're going to open up a new blend file. We're going to go to Vini, right? Pool outfit, Blender. What is the most recent one? Is it this one? Open, don't save. Okay. What the fuck? God damn it, dude. Why does it have to do this? Why? Why are all the textures just suddenly missing? This fucking software, dude. This fucking software. What do I do here? How do I get the stuff back? Skin light. Replace image. We'll go into the pool outfit, Unity, textures. That's not it. Blender, skin, color, skin light, open image to replace. That's not doing anything. Why is that not doing anything? Oh, I see. Okay. Open image to replace, dark this time. This is a bit of a pain, isn't it? We need to go into drape now, color, drape light. I don't know why it can't find the image. I'm literally replacing it with the exact same image. Like, why is it being so weird? I'm gonna ignore the laces. We don't need to deal with that. Come on. Why is it so slow? Wait, that's not right. That was incorrect. We need to use this. This is the head. Head, color, light.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Can you proofread something real quick? I suppose, but my language skills are pretty subpar. So I'm not sure of how much meaningful feedback I'll be able to give you. Let me just open up Discord. Oh. Cool. Bro looks like he's about to crash out. Let's have a look. Proofread this. Combat. Start doing all those content. Okay, stacks. What am I looking like? What am I supposed to? This is my ingenious and evil idea to make people sleepy and bored just like me. What? What is it though? Is it like what type of feedback do you want me to give for this? Like just on how much does it make sense or oh, grammar. Okay. So combat effects, unity, stacks do not lose on turn end. I mean, it's a bit awkward, but it's sort of awkward in a gamey way, so it does make sense to phrase it like that. Affects affects the properties of certain affects the properties of certain passives and skills. A maximum stacks of 100 unity can be stored at once. Um, I mean, it does seem pretty awkward. A maximum stacks of 100 unity can be stored at once. A maximum of 100 stacks of unity can be stored at once. I think it would be better if it was a maximum of 100 stacks of unity can be stored at once. Personally, this would be really slow for me to go through all this. It'd actually take me a long time. I think your better bet would to just put it through like ChatGPT. Like, I know that's sort of like you might not like that idea, but I mean ChatGPT is pretty good when it comes to just cleaning up stuff. Like, as long as you look over it and it still makes sense to you, like it should be fine.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, dude. I don't know if I can go through this because this isn't gonna be quick for me to go through all of this. Like, um, it's gonna take me a long time. I don't know if I want to do that. Um, yeah, there's a lot here, and I'm already sort of yeah. I'm sorry. I'm slow when it comes to language, and I'm not 100% on a lot of that stuff. So I'm not sure if I want to do that right now. I think it is a little awkward in some places, but yeah, it's hard to say. Okay, let's go back to the Blender stuff. Oh, I don't have the... Yeah, whatever. Um, You got the eyes. Four. Really? Four is this one? Says so. Okay, except this didn't work. Why didn't this work? Oh, I did the same one twice. There we go. Why is there no texture for the mouth? Why is it white? It's supposed to be black. Ah, damn it, dude. Damn it, damn it, damn it. What happened here? Okay, there we go. That's better. I guess I'll just save this as... Where is it? Blender 14. Okay, we should be able to do just the face now. We're going to make a new expression. We're going to call this, actually, we're going to get rid of that. Gonna make a new one. Did I just fucking delete a bunch of shit? Okay, let's try that again. Ooh. Add. Equal. X. Expressions. Equal. And we're going, oh, that's not equal, it's dot. Wait, it is. Okay, and then we want to make this one. We'll do shocked. We'll start with shocked, because shocked will have an open mouth, and with it closed inwards. So it'll be interesting to see how it deals with that. So we'll go here, we'll go to edit mode. What's happening here? Where's the, there it is. Connected only. Grab these, scale them in. Let's go to scope mode, activate that. Use a smooth brush. What the fuck happened there? Bro, what happened to the face? She just got it cut through. What the fuck? Okay. Don't know what happened there. I guess we will try again. No, we didn't. What the hell? Why is it breaking? Ah, fucking hell, Blender. What are you doing? What's happening there? What? Why does moving the geometry cause it to break? What if I turn off the mirror? Does that also cause it to break? No, it doesn't. Okay, I guess we just can't use the mirror or else it just destroys the geometry. Cool. Good to know. A bit of a weird bug, but what can you do? Let's go into sculpt mode, turn that on. Probably could make that a little bigger. Have to fix this up somehow. What's happening here? What? Okay, we gotta turn this clipping off. It's making it hard to see. So what is happening? We have two verts here. Why are they merging? What is happening right now? Is that just me? Or are the vertices merging? They are. What the fuck? Uh, God, God damn it, dude. Oh, I see what's happening here. Fuck. Okay. So the problem, right, is that when we go into edit mode, we have this stupid setting up here on, and it causes all the vertices to merge together. So that's why these kept disappearing, because they were merging into each other. So now we should be able to adjust things without that happening. Connected only. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Very good. So now we'll go into scope mode. Oh. And we'll go back into edit mode. Let's lift this up a little bit. Grab these, pull them in. Okay. Let's go back to scope mode, and we're going to scope to smooth it out around here. Let's actually go to this mode so we can see a little better. Make these come in more.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
No worries, T. Have a good sleep. Move this back a bit. Oops, got the wrong thing. Okay. So we have her going like, oh. What else do we need for a shocked expression? The eyebrows should come up right when the character's shocked, I'm pretty sure. I've been doing this on the wrong. Ah, God damn it, bro. Why do I keep making mistakes? Well, time to do that again. File, open, 14, don't save. Alrighty. Attempt numero 3. So we're going to rename this to expressions. Cool. And then we're going to call this one shocked. We're going to save. You know what? This is dumb. Yeah, this whole approach is just dumb. I should just be using the freaking existing shape keys. I know it's going to be a pain, but like I should just be doing that anyway. So yeah, we'll just do that. I think if the shapes don't really match what I want, I think I have to like just adjust each shape key to get them to look good. I think that's what I need to do. Okay, let's open the blinds a bit. It's sort of too dark in here. Gotta bring in some natural light. And okay, so let's start with angry again. So we're gonna go to browse. Okay, I'm gonna go back to layout. Come to 0. We're going to save. Hide that. Come over here. How is that fucking shit on its head back already? Okay. Let's do happy first. So we need mouth open, right? You know what? I'm gonna move my tablet away. My tablet's not going to help me here. It's gonna make me not sit very well. Mouth. What about open? Open. There we go. Oh, it's draw open. Draw open. Mouth, smile. Left. What's happening there? Oh no. No, 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 no. What is happening? Oh no. Why? Why are you doing this to me, Blender? Why is there one vertice that's apparently not affected at all? Oh, what a world. Okay. Maybe we just need to open it again. Let's go back to
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Alright, CST. Draw open. And then we want to smile. Smile right. No, it's broken. It's still doing that. Shit. Shit, 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 shit. Okay, let's try opening an older file. Maybe I just messed something up recently. Hopefully. So I select you again. Go back to open. Okay. And then what about smile? No, it's still broken, dude. Alright. Okay. We're just going to have to adjust it, I think. Yo, Newtnot, how you going, bro? How you going? I am just trying to get some expressions happening here, but I'm sort of struggling a bit because it turns out I did a really bad job with the shape keys. So we'll draw open, and then we'll look for smile. Smile left. So we're going to put it on full, and now we need to go into edit mode and adjust this because we're clearly missing a vert here, yeah. So we'll grab this one, and we'll pull it like I mean, you're never gonna get better if you don't if you don't do it though. But you know, if that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do. Okay, cool. So we want to have the smiles open, right? Bro, why does that look so gross? Shit. What if I smooth it out a bit here? Like so? No, that won't work because it doesn't do it for... Okay. Let's go into this grab mode. We're going to turn mirror off. And on the left one, we're going to pull it down a bit. And then on the right one here, we're going to pull it down a bit as well. I'm sort of confused as to why they're not mirrored. I don't get it. Why are they not mirrored? Did I not literally like mirror both these points? What's happening here? Okay. Bro, how have I messed up these shape keys so much? Oh my god. Uh, Thank you, thank you. I do have a point. I have the best points, every point. Trust. Bro, this is whatever. It is what it is. Okay. I'm gonna grab myself a coffee because this is actually gonna take a lot longer than I thought it would. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna start playing some music for myself because this is actually gonna take a really long time to get this right. I think I'm thinking it's gonna take me a pretty long ass time to try to get these expressions. So we're gonna put some phone through my headsets. Unfortunately, I can't play it on stream or else YouTube would freak out. Battery high. Just go to use it. YouTube Music. Connect my phone. Why is my phone not connecting? Okay, go into settings, connections, Bluetooth. Yeah, and then connect to the headset. Cool. Now I'll play the music and we'll get back into it. Okay. I'm gonna plug in the tablet again because I actually need it. We're gonna make a lot more adjustments than I thought we would need to. Gonna have to deal with the mouth inside as well, right? Let's look at the geometry. So it doesn't come out at all. Let's turn the smiler off for now. These ones. And let's see. Okay, so when it opens with the mouth, but it doesn't go to the side. So let's go to smile again, and we'll apply it. Bro, that shit's creepy, huh? That's creepy from the side. Who cares? I care a little bit, but whatever. Is there a way to fix this actually? Because that's down there. Nah, I'm gonna ignore it. I only care about the front view anyway. Let's go into this thing. We're gonna pull it to the side. Go to brush, topology, mirror, and we will grab this and try to pull it out. That's not working. Got to make it bigger. There we go. And I didn't have the song on loop, so it's already switched to something bad. Okay. I think I need to open another viewport. I think I need to see both the geometry and the rendered mode, or else I'll probably make a mistake at some point. So let's go to here. Whoops. Vertical split. Oops. Press N, we'll change the view over to 80. We can't really see the line art, can we? That is a bit of a problem. But is that a mouth issue or is that the other issue? And it is a bit of a mouth issue, okay. Fuck, can't adjust it like that. Okay, let's go back to scope mode. Probably have to switch over to the wireframe so I can see what's happening here. I'm gonna expand out the line here a bit. Except we have to undo that because it's using mirrored mode and we don't want to do mirror. We just want to do one side at a time. So that's probably too extreme. Like that looks a little scary, honestly. Fucking hell. I would not want to wake up to that in the morning. Creepy as hell. Okay. Is that fine for an expression? Just have her be like, wow. Like, it's honestly not the biggest smile in the world, bro. Maybe I shouldn't have her mouth open like that. Yeah, I don't think I will. I think just having a smile like that is fine enough. But maybe not. Like it's like it's an anime character, right? So we need to exaggerate these expressions. So having your jaw open does make sense. Maybe not. Because wouldn't it be weird her just hanging with her mouth open? Like, who does that? Who just has their mouth open like that? I think the problem is that she doesn't have teeth. So if she had teeth and she had like a grin like that, it'd be fine. But since she doesn't have that, we'll just do the mouth close. I think that makes more sense. So let's just come to the smile keys. We're going to activate the keyframe thing. We're going to go to smile. And we're going to keyframe this. So this will be a happy expression. So now what? I need another expression. Which one do I want to do? So we have happy. I guess we could do shocked. Let's do shocked. So this is keyframe 2. So we'll turn the smile off. We want jaw to be open, right? Jaw open. And then we want the whoa, what just happened there? What just happened there? That was weird. Okay, so we jaw open. And we want to have the pucker, right? What does press mean? It's not what I want. Oh, actually, let's go back to the happy. We can do the cheek squint. This one. Yeah. That makes sense. I think it does. Because when you like smile really like a lot, right? Your eyes come up. So I think that's actually makes sense. So we'll go cheek. Are you serious? Why is it coming up with so much stuff? Why not just cheek? Oh my god. Oh, I see. The it doesn't work. This thing's only getting affected by the other side. That sucks. But oh well. Do we want to go all the way up to 1 for that, or do we want to go like a little lower? Like an 8? Yeah, I think I'll go in like an 8. We'll go to 0.8 instead. I think higher is a bit overkill. Or maybe not. No, I changed my mind. I like it going full. Keyframe that one as well. Go to the next one. Turn that off. And now we want jaw open? No, we want funnel, right? So we're gonna look for mouth. Now is funnel mouth the only one that actually does it, or is there something else? I mean, pucker. What does dimple do? Fucking nothing. What does the roll do? Nothing. Um, okay, we'll just have to use the pucker, and then we're just going to have to manipulate it because it isn't it's not enough here. We have to pull it in more. But if we go to jaw and we go from open, yeah, we can bring it in more, I think. So we'll go back to pucker, keyframe it, come back to the other shape key, make that 0. The smile seems a little big, doesn't it? Whatever, we'll leave it. Let's manipulate this for now. Now, this actually does both, so that's actually good for me. I should be able to more easily adjust it. And we need to use the elastic brush. Oh, jaw's not even open at full. It's only open at half. 0.5, still going too far. Okay, how does that look now? I think it's better. Maybe I could make it go out a little more. Now, let's see how jaw gets affected by this now. Uh, it's not great, is it? Obviously, they're never meant to open their mouth that much, but still. Let's go back to jaw. And let's bring the jaw in now. See, the problem is, though, it breaks it here. And if I go back to jaw, it becomes broken again, doesn't it? I guess you just never... I guess you can't really pucker with your mouth open like that anyway. Fuck it, we'll just make it, like this then. And we need the eyebrows to come up. Blink. What does this do? That's not what I want. Squint. Oh, interesting. Oh, this one actually makes sense. Yeah, we have the eye shrink in on shocked. Eye wide right. And then we need the brows to come up. Right? I think so. Where the brows at? Looking. Look. Is there no brow? Like, I don't understand. Brow. Okay. It looks shocked, right? I feel like the eyes coming in, though, is a little too extreme. We can probably make it not so small. Okay, first things first. Let's keyframe the brows. Come back. Oh god, that's creepy as fuck. Let's uh let's not do that expression. Um what was the other one? Eye, right? Yeah, I think that's better. We'll make it like 3.5. I feel like going all the way is way too much. Oops. Okay, I think that's good. So we got happy, we got shocked. Let's save now. What else is there? Angry. So let's do that. Angry, 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 angry. How do we do that? Um, well, I think for one, we don't need a jaw to be open. So let's get rid of that. We don't need pucker. Don't need that. We definitely need the brows, right? The brows are a big one. Okay. Yeah, I think that's fine. And then we want to do what? What? The frown, right? On the face. So let's go to mouth now. Hmm. These don't have a keyframe on them. Yeah, I think that's good for an angry face. I think that's good enough. Um, I guess we can do sad face now. So I'm pretty sure sad face will have the angry, but it will lift up the on the inner, like so. Probably could even like lift this up a little bit.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Oh. Yo, what's up? This is Blender. It is a free 3D modeling software. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm just using it right now to create a like an AI VTuber. You can see them on the right of the screen. I'm just setting up the expressions right now. Um, I think I could lift it up a little bit, like so. Yeah, I think that's good. Actually, yeah, I think I'll do that. The outer right. Yeah, she looks sad. Oh God, it looks too sad. Okay. Let's go to mouth. Maybe there's something I can do to mouth to make it a little bit more different. Like so. Yeah. Yeah, anything else I can use? Mouth press, what does that do? I mean, it actually looks different, right? Could do that. If I do the other side. Yeah, it's not terrible. I think that's actually all right. I think that looks pretty sad. I think that looks very sad. We'll we'll add keyframes to these press shapes. And then we'll go to the frown. Oh, what happens when I remove the Oh, interesting. That looks terrible. Let's just keep it like that. I think that looks fine. Just know because of that Warhammer fan animation. Um, I haven't not 100% sure what you're talking about, but if someone did an animation, then yeah, that's like a fan animation, then yeah, it's a good chance they use Blender, since you know trying to do a fan animation with something like Maya that costs thousands of dollars probably isn't gonna happen. Pretty high barrier of entry for that one. Okay, so we got happy, we got sad, we got angry, we got shocked. Let's have what else could we do? We could have what other expressions are there? Like the cheeky expression, I guess. So we'll get rid of the frown. We will get rid of the mouth press.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Oh wow, that's amazing. That's cool. It's like a. I might look that up later. It must have been really good then. It must have been really good. Actually, I'm gonna go back to this one and go like that. I actually like that more. Cool. How long is it? Is it only like a couple minutes, or is it like long? Because I could check it out now. But if it's like 10-minute video or something, then like yeah, I don't have the time for that. I gotta focus. Well, I'll check it out. Oh yeah, yeah, bit long. If I watch a 12-minute video, I'm just going to completely lose my focus and probably go just watch other stuff. Um, what am I going to do now? I think we need like a smile. Actually, we only do one side too. We don't need to do both sides. We'll keep it asymmetrical. I think that looks pretty good. That looks pretty smug, right? Yeah, I like that. Uh, though we need the keyframes to be stepped, not interpolated. Constant. There we go. Close enough, close enough. I get what you're saying. Um, so we have a smirk. What else could we have instead of a smirk? We could have like a thinking face. That's what we don't have. We don't have a thinking. We need a thinking. So actually no, before I do that, I might do like a pouty face. Just because the eyebrows are already down. So we'll do a pouty face. So we'll get rid of the smile. And we'll do cheeks, right? Cheek puff. Like that. And then how do we make a pouty face? We need like a pucker, right? Mouth pucker. Yeah. We also need it to be like a frown, I think. So we need frown too.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Yeah. So this is upset, but this is a pouty upset. Hmm. Um, are the brows okay? Maybe the brows are too extreme. I could probably make it a little less like that. Yeah. That way it doesn't look too angry, but it does sort of look angry. Yeah. I mean, Warhammer's pretty popular. So, I mean, like, it's not the worst thing in the world. Knowing about it means that you can probably connect with people that also like it. I used to know a guy that was really into it. He took me to like a store where there was like a whole bunch of like figurines you could buy and like paint and stuff. It was pretty neat. Because at the time I was thinking maybe I might want to like 3D print some of the models I was doing, but I ended up against it because I'm not much of a hands-on type person. I don't know. I might come back to that one day, but we'll see. Okay, so I think that's fine for a pouty face. Yeah, like there's a lot of content on it. It never fucking ends, dude. Like I was able to talk about it on and on forever. It definitely it's a lot. Um, think. What did I want after pouty? Oh, thinking. Thinking. We want a thinking expression. So we'll turn this off. What looks like a skill tree? The books with all the branching stories and stuff. Or are you referring to something else? Um, mouth side. Oh, sorry about that. Um, what if I go side? No, it doesn't work. What is it then? If it's not side, what is it? What does sneer mean? Nothing really. Um, I want the one that puts the mouth to the side, but I don't know where it is. Squint left? No, I don't really want that. Um, where is it? I could have sworn there was a mouth stretch right. Okay, let's just turn off some of this stuff for now, because I don't think I want this. That's weird. I've turned off all the shape keys. Why is it not... What? Am I missing something? Oh, I am. Pucker. We want... mouth. Stretch left? What does that do? That's not what I want. Stretch right? Nope. Oh, mouth right. There we go. And then I think we use pucker, right? Oh, it doesn't really work. Hmm. How do I do this part? I want the mouth to go to the side, but I don't know. I wonder if there's anything online that will give me like if there's any like presets for expressions for the bass keys. Because right now I'm trying to manually like figure them out, but there might have already been like presets that I could have just used to get certain expressions. It might have been smarter. Oh well. Something for next time, I suppose. My wrist is hurting a lot. I need to grab myself something to rest it on. Just grab my Duno. Okay. Hmm. Stretch left? No, we want stretch right, I think. Um, how's that for an expression? That looks like something, right? It's like, are you fuck? Like, what's wrong with you type of expression? Like, are you right? Are you okay? I feel like squinting makes sense here. I'll go 0.3 though. Is there anything else that I could possibly do here? I don't know. We'll just do the keyframes for the squint, and then we'll go to the old one, get rid of it. Maybe we don't. Maybe we actually want squint here. Maybe squint is not what I want. Maybe it is. Um, um, it's not really working, is it? Okay, so we got happy, shocked, angry, sad, smug, pouty, sort of confused, and now we need a thinking face. Okay. I never keyframed this one. I think that's fine. Okay, we just reset it. I need to turn the light on. It's getting really dark. All right. What do we do next? We need thinking, right? So if we're gonna do thinking, I think we need pucker. And then I think we need frown as well. And then we need eye, because we need the eye to look upwards, right? Eye, look up. That's an interesting expression. I might do that one next. But until then, let's actually I'm actually gonna come over here at that keyframe just because I sort of liked that. Then we'll come back here and remove it. Look. We'll look for look. We want look in right, right? Look in right. Maybe I should have that separately, like the direction of the eyes. Yeah, because I feel like it's gonna be hard, right? It's gonna be very hard to do. Ah, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I don't think it's a good idea. I think whether or not they look at the character should be decided by the prompt, not by the expression. I think that's like another layer of what is it called? Of like thought process, because you can be in an angry phase, but you can be like angry and looking at them or angry and not looking at them. And that can mean two different things. So yeah, I'm not gonna add the eyes looking up and down and all that. I think that's actually a pretty terrible idea. We'll just keyframe it on 0 for all of these. And then we'll go to this one and we'll mess around with what I was doing over here. That expression does sort of mean something, I think, but we'll ignore it. But we won't do that. Um, I think I need the mouth open, I think. We gotta get rid of the frown. It's not very it's too sort of smiley, isn't it? We gotta fix that. Um, okay. That'll have to do. I think that's fine for the expressions for now. We have like a confused thinking. We have are you serious? We have like a smug face. I think that's all the expressions we need for now. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's good. Let us... Hmm. So we don't actually have to re-export it because it's basic... Oh, wait, yeah, we do, because I changed some of the shit. We'll save that for another time. We'll just focus on doing the next stage. So we have the expressions that we want. We now need to take the value of said expressions and apply it to a thing. Bro, I don't like how big that mouth is, bro. I think I need to pull it in a little bit. It's too much. Let's grab the pucker. Pull it in a bit. Yeah, make it not so fucking massive, that smile, dude. That's a creepy fucking smile, bro. Alright, what I'll do is we'll create a script where we'll basically just grab all the shape keys for the frame and that have a value greater than 1. Right? Yeah. So we grab all the values for a thing that have a value greater than 1, and we'll create the JSON format using that. So I should still have the JSON that we exported beforehand. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of the tablet now. It's gonna be in the way. Grab another mouse so I can use my left hand. My right wrist is starting to hurt. What am I thinking about? I need to find that JSON file. Here it is. Grab that. And we're just going to use ChatGPT in order to interpret this file. So we'll make a new chat. Oh. First, actually, I need to make this script that grabs all the blend shapes for the current Blender pose. So Blender need script that will take shape keys I need to think about this. Okay, so Blender needs script that will take shape keys on the current frame, we'll take shape keys with a value over 0 on the current frame. Wait, we'll take shape keys on the current frame with a value over 0 and on and put those values and convert those values to our JSON of this format. Now I'll grab the format.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
I am using AI to write the scripts because it will save me a lot of time. Because I don't know what the format is exactly, and I don't feel like analyzing the JSON strip and trying to figure it out. Okay. Now, I'm going to have to be specific because there's a good chance it's going to fuck this up unless I tell it exactly what I want. So, the only thing that should change from what I gave you is the shape key values. All right, we'll see what happens. We'll see what it gives me. I don't know. Worst case scenario, if it doesn't work, I'll just have to manually put in the values in Warudo. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop playing music for this part because it's actually gonna require me to think. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep making the same mistake over and over again, probably. I basically just want to take, because the problem I have right now is if we go to Warudo scene, where's the Warudo? If we go to the Warudo, right? The problem is that if I want to enter the expressions, I have to be like, okay, I want an expression to be called happy. I want to come down to select the skin to mesh, select the blend shape, choose the value, and then I have to do that for every single value. And then I have to repeat those steps for every single blend shape I want to change for every single expression I want to make. And that's going to take, and that's just tedious, and I don't want to do that. So instead, I just want to generate the, what is it called? The expression profile manually. I just want to be able to take the file, the values from Blender and just export it straight to Warudo by using the JSON format. Because I don't want to have to put it in manually. Because that's a fucking pain. I don't want to do that. So I'll mess around with ChatGPT for a bit. Hopefully I can get it working. If I can't, then I'll just have to do it manually. But that would be a pain, and I don't really want to do that. So let's go back to Blender. So not for each emotion, I just have like a, I just saved the expression profile based on just having one blend shape in it. So, um, yeah. Like I'm like I should be able to generate multiple emotions from Blender by just inserting and duplicating the JSON. Okay. So let's copy the code it gave me and let's have a look at what it gave me and see if it makes sense or if it's being weird. So this is the
Look at the chat, you
format.
blind bastard.
I mean, yeah, I'm just basically just trying to automate a step that you normally have to manually do. So I'm just trying to automate that part because I don't want to do unnecessary work. So if I do this now, it means in the future, whenever I try to do even other expressions with different characters, instead of having to manually input every single expression, I can just have the expression set up in Blender and then just export it to Warudo. Okay, so what is it doing? Shape keys, it gets the shape key blocks, it takes the current frame from the context, that makes sense. It looks through all of the k dot name. Wait, what does it mean k dot name? Oh, is this a list comprehension? Oh, it's a, okay, yeah, okay. So for k in shape keys, if the value is above 0 in the k dot name dot value, what? Why is it looking for the k dot name? Why does it even need a name? What does the name matter? Oh, because it wants to create a dictionary of the name and the value. I see. That's why it's doing that. So it's saving the name and the value, and then it's going to put in the blend shape as name, and then the value as the value. And it used the data input as target skin mesh. Replace the blend shape value in JSON. Wait, build new blend shape list? Oh, I see. So it makes a new list for the blend shape values and replaces the old one with it. Okay, I mean that seems about right, right? That seems like it sort of should do what it's doing, collects the values, makes a list of all the different blend shapes, and then replaces the expression with the blend shape list. I think that's fine. Let's see what happens when it exports it. I don't know if it's going to work though, because I have import JSON. I don't think you have. Oh wait, it does have JSON imported. Expecting. All right. Let's just give it to Blender to fix this error. I'm not Blender, I mean ChatGPT to fix the error. Okay. Let's put this back into Blender. Wait, where the fuck does it save this shit to? BPY path, abs path. Okay. I'll have to see where that is. Okay, it's running. Okay, it ran. Let's just see if the output though is actually good or if it's just a piece of shit. So where is this file? Let's come to where is it? bpy dot path dot abs path. Where is this location? Oh my god. Just give me the path. Test dot text. Well, that didn't fucking work now, did it? How do I get this path? I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT where the fuck this shit is. Where is this? Oh, okay. So is that just saving it to my current thing? So let's go to Blender. Oh, there it is, the JSON file. I found it. So we got the shapes keys. Let's just copy this one, put it over here, paste. Now let's go back to Warado and see what happens when we try to load this. Is it going to break or is it actually going to work? So this is using the other character. So what we'll do is we won't use viini right now. We will enable mini viini. There's mini viini. There she is. And we want to change your expression using the profile we just created. That work? I mean, it loaded the profile, but it's not doing shit. If it's not doing shit, that means it's probably erroring out. Damn you, ChatGPT, you useless motherfucker. I guess I'll just feed it the output JSON that I created and see if it can spot what's going wrong with it. I think that makes the most sense.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Nah, there's not even an error message. Like, I'm trying to load the profile, right? I go here, shape keys, load, and there's nothing here. So I'm assuming it's just not fucking working then. Otherwise, we would have loaded an expression here. Because if we load, we use test, see how it opens and it makes changes here. It's got happy, it's got blend shape on drawer open, but it's not working on the one that we generated. So, oh, we got an error. No, that's not what we want. That's not what we're doing right now. Oh, it's not letting us remove it. Oh shit, it's not letting us remove it. Oh no, what's going wrong here? Uh-oh. Oh no. It's completely broken. Let's just close it and reopen it. Maybe that will let us delete it now. Yep, that worked. Let's load. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just take the generated JSON and we'll just say, here's the thing, why is it not working? Not loading in Warudo. What's different compared to the original format? Question mark, and then we'll paste the one that we generated. Okay. No, it says it's because of X result, but it's not really fuck it. We'll just we'll just copy and paste. I don't want to think about this, dude. I don't want to think about this. Okay, let's go back to Blender. Take this shape keys that we just generated, copy, come to the profiles, delete the old one, paste it, come back to Warudo, load expression profile, shape keys, okay, nothing happens. Ah, you useless fucking AI. Okay. You know what? I'm going to go back to expressions. I'm going to load test, right? And we're going to add another what? Another one. No, we'll do happy, grab jaw open, we'll add an element, head, jaw forward, whatever, doesn't matter. Mouth funnel. Just so it gets a better idea of the structure. So now we have an expression with two blend shapes, and now we will create another expression. Expression 2, and we will add a target blend shape, head, and cheek puff, because fuck it, whatever. Mouth pucker. Cool. Now we will save this expression profile. We'll save it as test again. Override it. And I'm going to give it the one that we just generated, that Warudo generated, and say, this is what the format's supposed to be. What's wrong with the generated format? Why isn't it matching? That's what we're going to do. And hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to try Gemini. Hopefully it works. If that doesn't work, then I'm just going to have to just suck it up and just put it in manually. So here is an example output from Warudo. And here is the output from the code you gave me. Why is the one we're generating not working? Question mark. Now let's go to the one that we generated. Copy that. Paste that in. And then enter. Hopefully it gets it right. If not, we're going to try Gemini, and if not, then we're just going to have to do it manually, because the AI is fucking trash. So the output is exports for expressions, which every blend shape, easing duration, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, just give me the code. Okay, just okay. Give me correct code then. Like, what the fuck? Maybe I need to tell it to I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna copy the code. I don't know what it's doing here. It's a little sus. Oh my god. It's not even saving anything. It's just printing out. Oh, it's so infuriating. Just like, why are you? Oh my! I'm just gonna use Gemini. ChatGPT is fucking garbage. Holy shit! I can't believe how bad it is. I actually can't believe how trash it is. Okay. Here is a JSON of a character expression from Warudo. I would like to append my own expressions. Can you give me a Blender script that will take the current OBJ that will at the current frame take the OBJ and the blend and the shape keys with a value greater than 1, I mean greater than 0, and what? Create and append a new expression based on that. Then I'll take the code, put it into thingy, and we'll paste it, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully this one actually gives me something that's not garbage. Definitely takes a lot longer though. There we go. I'm gonna need to sneeze. Okay. Let's come up to here, paste what we had. What is this? Why is it 13 lines? What? Are you serious? This is this is what this is what it gave me. Set your new expression name here. Okay. The script will add your new expression data. This isn't a script. What is this trash? This what? Oh, okay. It's changed now. Oh, I see. It just took ages to load. I thought it was like finished loading, but no, it wasn't anywhere near done. Oh, it's still loading. Holy shit, that's a long expression. All right. It's it's gonna be hot. Okay, I'm just gonna delete that. Go new, paste it in. Come up, my new expression. Press play. I mean, it ran. Okay, what was the output though? Let's have a look at the system console. What does it say? Error. Wait, was that the actual error? Let's copy that, put it back to ChatGPT, to Gemini, give it the error. I might just have to accept that I'm gonna have to just do it manually. I don't want to though. It's so stupid to do it manually. It's so dumb. It's such unnecessary labor. Name layer. Okay, let's see what its new attempt is. Okay. Damn, it takes a long time. Like, holy shit, it takes a really long time. No wonder viini is so slow. Okay, let's copy the code. Go back to Blender. Cross your fingers and hope it fucking works. Paste. Run. System console. Did it actually fucking fuck up again? No. No. I think it might have messed up again. Let me just put a print above it. Say look here. Yeah, it's still screwing up. Is it the exact same error as before though? It is. It's literally the exact same error as before. Um, oh, I can't. Doesn't let me input it. Fuck it, we'll just do it manually. We'll just do it manually. It's taking too long. Damn it. How upsetting. That's so upsetting. I don't want to do it manually. Ah, it's such a pain. It hurts my soul having to do this shit when it's just completely unnecessary labor. Um, that being said, actually, let's undo deleting it. Because while it didn't create a JSON, it did filter out all the what is it called? Blend shapes that were being applied. So having a filtered out version that's easier to see a list of what I need to do is probably better for me anyway. So because it's going to be hard to look through all these shape keys, or you can't see because viini's in the way. Um, yeah, it's going to be hard to look through all these shape keys here and try to be like, okay, which one's applied, which one's not. It's so disorganized, but the script actually says this is what's actually being applied right now. So while the JSON doesn't work, that part does, so it's not completely useless. So let's just run the script here. We will look at the system console. It is using mouth pucker, squint, smile, and wide-eyed. So let us go back to Warudo. Where's Warudo? Cool. And based off this Warudo thing, we'll, I guess, just delete these expressions. And we'll make a new one. We will call this one happy. And we will say target blend shape, head blend shape will be What does the Blender say? Blender says mouth pucker. So let's look for mouth pucker. Can we search for it? We can. Mouth pucker, and it has a value of 0.345. 0.345. 0.345. Okay, that's 1. Now let's go to the next blend shape. God, this is going to take forever. Should I do this though? Like, I really cannot justify it, right? Like, this is so slow. This is so dumb. This is so dumb. This is going to take forever. No, I refuse. I fucking refuse to do it. No. We need to just get the script to work. To work. Going through this is just going to delay a problem and waste my time now. I might as well just figure out how to do this now. This isn't the way. We just need to be smarter about the way we go about this. So right now, we know that trying to generate a script from scratch isn't working. ChatGPT and Gemini just are not able to do it. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to give it the JSON data, and we're going to ask it if it's able to if it's able to add, not create a new one, but just duplicate the existing profile, right? Because if it can duplicate the existing profile, then we just need to figure out how to make that profile and then append it. And that should be a lot easier than trying to understand the full structure to it. So what we'll do is we will go back to ChatGPT and we're going to feed it the JSON data, and I'm going to ask it to isolate from this JSON script that I'm giving you. Can you just give me the expression for, what did I call it? I called it, if I go back to Warudo and we go back to the character, let's delete this, and then we'll load expressions profile. We'll go to test. Okay. Okay, it's happy. Happy. Can it, okay, we'll just ask it, can it isolate the happy expression from this JSON? Can you isolate the happy expression part of this expression? Expression what? Profile? Profile from this JSON. Question mark, and then I will feed it the test JSON file. Let's see if you can do it. This contains everything for the happy expression and its Blanchet triggers tracking settings, with trimmed for readability. Okay. So if we go back to Blender, this is what it's saying the thing is. So now I'm going to ask it to give me a script that will duplicate this profile and append it onto the existing one. Okay. Okay. Now give me a script that will duplicate this profile and append to existing JSON as happy to. Okay, now we're going to take this JSON, and I mean this code, going to go here, paste it. Okay, so it's not. So we're going to have to open this in VS Code because I don't want to have to deal with a bunch of annoying paths. And I'm going to viini new folder, and we'll call it JSON code. JSON. Actually, no, that's dumb. This is dumb. I should just deal with the fact. I should just ask it to do the abs path thing for Blender. Using Blender. So can you use path question mark? The fuck? Oh my god, no bpy dot path dot abs is. Okay, I'm gonna actually have to go back and tell it to do that instead. That's strange. What is this UUID? That's a bit concerning. Let's go back to Blender. Let's put this into here. What is this UUID? Where does it show? Let's find this. Find next. It's for generating an ID. Can I run this? No such directory. We need to add this to the file directory. So we'll go into pool outfit, Blender, go into the test file, grab that JSON, paste it into this directory. Bros, it's like 32 kilobytes. Why the fuck did that take so long? And then we'll rename this to expressions. And then we'll run this code again. And what does it do? So it did run. So I don't have to install whatever this UUID is. But the question is, did it actually correctly generate the JSON? That's the part we don't know. Let's go back to Warado. And let's find out. So, if we delete this, no, it's fuck. Okay, we're gonna have to close this again, then open it. Then go to character 1. load expressions profile. I just realized this isn't actually in the thing anymore. Copy it, drop into Wardo, load, expressions, okay. It did successfully load, and we have happy and expression 2. Okay, that's a good fucking start. So we have happy, it has drawer open, which is supposed to, in head, and what else does it have? Drawer open, and then mouth funnel. So it has drawer open and mouth funnel. And then for the other expression, we have mouth pucker. The fuck? No, I don't think it did work. No, I don't think it did work. Oh, shit. Shit, 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 shit. That didn't work. Let me take this JSON and feed it to ChatGPT and say, this is the output from the script. Does it look like it worked? Is there a happy to question mark? Okay, it's saying that there is no happy to. So did it not append it? Like, what the fuck, bro? Okay. Okay, then your code didn't work. What does it mean, detect? Then this code didn't work. And then I'll paste the code. I don't know. I think this is the last try I'm going to do. Yeah. Like, I don't know, bro. Yeah, it's not working. All right. Damn, dude. Damn. This is such a pain. Ah, damn. Well, who's ready to do a whole bunch of unnecessary labor? This guy. I guess I'll try again a different day. It's a bit hard now because I've run out of the pro version for all the things, so they're using the worst versions. So I don't think the worst versions are going to be able to figure this out. I didn't think that the AI would struggle so hard though. Like what I was asking wasn't that hard, right? It was just to add an extra freaking header to a JSON, but it just couldn't fucking do it. Like, I don't understand why that was such a difficult task for it. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Like, it's actually just crazy how, like, just terrible it is. It's very upsetting. Alright. Let's go to, the character. Delete this. You can't delete it because it's erroring out again. Okay, let's, restart it. Character. New expression. Pull it happy. Seriously? Happy. Go to Blender. Let's see what things we need. Okay, go back to Warudo. Head. And we need what is it called? Mouth. Pucker. Value of 0.345. Make a new one. Make this one smaller. Head. What is this one called? Cheek squint. Cheek squint. Left. A value of 1. Next. Head. Mouth smile left. Oh, what is happening? That was weird. Mouth smile left 0. What? 575. 575. Okay, I want to put music back on. This is so tedious and so boring. God fucking damn it, bro. Oh, I hate this. I hate this so much. Okay. Smile right this time. Head. Smile right. What's the value? 0.4455. Okay. 0.455. Let's do another one. Head. Cheek squint right. Cheek squint right. That is 1, so we can move on to the next one now. Widen eye. Head. Widen eye. There's 1. Head. Pull eyes back. Why does it keep coming up with that white bar? It's weird. Okay, that's 1. Save expression profile. We'll save it as, I don't know. Viini expressions. Save. Okay. Okay, so that's happy done. We need to now do the next one. What is the next one? So that's happy. Now we need to do shocked. Shocked. Let's run the script again to get the organized things. That's weird. It's giving me the exact same values as before. Shit. Damn, it's not actually giving me the shapes. I might have to look at the happy one again to make sure I didn't mess it up. Okay, let's have a look at the happy one again. Okay, let's come back to happy. Happy shouldn't have pucker now, I think about it. Squint, yeah. Oh, actually, no, I did have pucker. No, it does have pucker, yeah. I mean, it seemed to have worked for this one, so why did it not work for the others? Uh, let's see. Okay, never mind. It's fuck. The script is just loading the fucking expressions from the JSON, not from the fucking Blender data. So that's why it's not fucking working. Uh, Whatever, dude. Whatever. We'll just do it manually. Let's go back to Warado. Get out of happy. We want to use shocked now. Head. What's the first blend shape? I need to stop tapping into it. The first one is going to be eyes wide left. So let's go here. eyes wide left, and has a value of 0.35. So 0.35. That's one. Head, jaw, open. I'm definitely not giving up. I'm going to attempt again tomorrow to try do this, make this script, because it pains me that I'm doing this manually. Like, just on, what is it called? Not even like, oh, I just wish I didn't have to do it, but like, on the principle level, like the fact that I'm doing this manually is just sort of pathetic. This is not something I should be doing right now. Like, I'm working on a computer, but I'm not taking advantage of the fact that I'm working on a computer. It's ridiculous. Mouth pucker 1, that's good. Eye wide right. 0.35. Head, brow inner up. Okay. Brow inner up at a value of 0.365. 0.365. Brow outer up left. Point 0.44. And we're looking for brow outer upright now. Brow I'm just going to do two things for now and just move on. I cannot justify to myself doing more than this right now. It is like this is just not the way. We'll just only work with two different expressions for now, and yeah, we'll experiment with that. And then once we have it working with two expressions, then we'll make it with more. Eyes pulled back. What? Oh. Pull eye back. Alright. So we got those two expressions. We're going to save this expression profile now as the viini one. Okay. Okay. Going to save the Blender file, minimize it because we don't need that right now. And we're going to go to the blueprints. I should start naming these blueprints, bro, because we'll even what are some of these things? Okay, we'll make a new one and we'll call it test expressions. So rename test expression. So let's grab, what do we want to grab here? Blend shape? No, we need to grab expression. Toggle character expression. So we'll go character 1, we'll go happy. Toggle. Well, how do I toggle it then? It takes a toggle action. Let's try find one. Oh, a toggle thing. Toggle. What is this? That's not what I want. Toggle character expression. Wait, that's what I'm literally using right now. That's not what I want either. Is it a boolean that I put in here? It takes a toggle action. What is a toggle action? Toggle boolean variable? Toggle character meshes? So it takes a toggle action. What is a toggle action though? Toggle action. Convert boolean to toggle action. Okay. Why not just take a boolean? Why make it? What's the difference between a toggle action and a boolean? Yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't know. Let's just do on update. On update. Put this into here. Now we'll zoom into viini's face. Okay, she's happy there. She's fine. Happy again. Shocked. Okay, so those expressions are working. That's fine. I think I'm going to stop streaming because this next part I'm going to have to do is going to require a lot of coding. And I don't know if I want to stream the coding because it's going to be a lot of this server stuff and like interacting with Google API. And I don't know if I want to do that because I might accidentally show something I shouldn't. So I'm going to stop streaming here. Probably not a very great stream today. I think it started off okay with the expressions, but when I came to trying to export stuff, it just didn't really work out. I think I need to be more intelligent in the future about how I plan that out. But thank you everyone who's watching, who was watching and who will watch. I'm going to stop here, and I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to stop streaming here. I'll keep working on it because I really want Viini to be able to be a bit more expressive. And hopefully when I come back tomorrow, we'll have Viini being able to like give different expressions with each of her sentences, which should make her a lot better. And yeah. So ciao ciao. Till next time. Hope you all have a good day.